All right, guys, welcome back to another video with Shaman J. I'm using the best case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 currently at the moment, in my opinion. The phone already is super thin and the phone is already really nice and you really don't want to cover it up. But this case, after using it, I don't know, how a week and a half I had this case on though. I'm not a case person per se, like full time. So when something's good, it's good. Now remember, this is no disrespect to all the other OEMs that I reviewed their products. Those cases are great. But kind of a complete thing here, I think with the hinge protection and this particular design, you can also get this case in different colors and stuff like that. We'll have a different, it won't have the gold package on here like this, but this is actually a solid case, man. This is a great case. In this packaging here, you actually get everything you need. You get the case and then you also get their screen protector. Now, in my initial video, I did not put on the screen protector, but I'm going to do it now. I just happened to scratch the current screen protector I have on there. And so here's their Glass Warrior screen protector. Yeah, this is a beautiful packaging too, by the way, from a company just for a screen protector. Now, this is the combo kit right here. This is the combo kit. So we're going to put on this Glass Warrior screen protector. And I'm going to remove the one that's on here right now. So this is how it comes to you in the packaging. Now their Glass Warrior setup here. This is the kit you'll need. This is the installation kit, right? And here's the glass right here. That's the glass. And then they give these to you here. This is just, if you've been using BENKS, you know what these are about. These are the big dust removal static tool here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this one here because they end up getting scratched. So we're going to get into this packaging here. But I feel like I'm using the best screen protector right now for the Fold 7. And this is what you get here. You get this right here. So we're going to wet him up. I'm going to get this glass off. Because this glass actually has a scratch on it. And it's probably going to crack soon. So I don't want to mess with it. And it probably doesn't need to be cleaned per se, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. If you notice here, I have the frame still on. This case doesn't come with any kind of guide. It just has these here. And you could use it as a guide. But if you notice, this glass here has the black ring around it. Some people asked about that in the initial video. And I was like, I'm not putting it on. I already got a glass on there. I don't want to waste it. But it turns out the glass I was using kind of got messed up. Kind of. So we're going to put this glass on here real time. Real time. I'm going to clean it up. And we're going to put it on. And then we'll continue our discussion as we put this on here. I think this case is the best case so far for a number of reasons. First of all, it looks great. It is a good looking case to start with. Let's just call that right now. This is a great looking case. For a case to cost a lot, like some of you guys is kind of strange. You spent $2,000 on your phone or $2,200 on your phone or you know what, even if you got a discount, you spend $1,000 on your phone. You don't want to spend $75 or $80 to protect it. And remember now, I'm talking to the people who think like this now. I'm not a case person. So I'm just saying I'm a tempered glass person. I'll put a tempered glass on every phone I get. But this case right here, and all the cases that are these ultra thin cases, folks, they run some bread. You're going to come up off of some bread in order to use these particular cases. That's just how it is. That's how it is. So I always tilt it like this because I'm right here. I want to slide it on properly. But, you know, using these types of cases, you're going to come up off that bread, son. You can't think that you're not going to pay in order to get these very nice cases that some would recommend. And this particular combo comes complete. Oh, it already kind of slid on itself. Did it? Did I do it? Oh, it's on. So let's take this off real quick so we can adhere. But this case comes complete with a tempered glass. Comes complete with a tempered glass. And it comes with the front and back. Something that a lot of people tend to not like, I guess, not having the front. But this one has the front. This one has the front. Ooh, yeah. All those bubbles, folks, if you're worried about bubbles, they disappear after a while. But I feel like I'm using the best case for the Z Fold 7 right now. I'm going to pop this back on. There we go. I think this is the best case for the Z Fold 7. And again, I'm not taking anything away from other OEMs that I may use, but this case is actually really solid, man. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Some people worried about this hinge portion here. It slides over the actual glass. Yeah, it slides over. And this is what it looks like from the top and the bottom. And more importantly, you get a full like full on protection. Like they gave you the front edges portion, which is some people just don't like, which covers all of this. And then you have this little area exposed here because you have your fingerprint reader and your volume rocker. That has to be open. Has to be. You can see it works there. And then you got your camera module open here, but it's protected. Now, my camera modules actually have a raised lip on it, but my modules have protectors over them. So that's why mine might look a little flush. But nonetheless, you've got hinge protection. So I think if you're going to, get into an expensive phone like this, it might be worth might be worth spending a little bit on the case. Might be. It's up to you. Now, you do have, some people don't like the ultra thin look. You don't like this ultra thin look, but if ever you use this phone and you get a chance to, because a lot of people have not used this phone and you're still waiting on yours. If you haven't ordered yet, there's a link in the description to grab yours. So go ahead and grab it now. It's waiting for you. But I think this is probably one of the best options right now, currently. It's not bulky. You still get protection. All ports and everything line up perfectly fine. You don't have to buy anything else because you get the case, the front piece, the back piece, the hinge piece already there, and you get a tempered glass too. So this is how it looks completely installed from BENKS. So I feel like this is probably one of the best situations. And everybody's giving a tempered glass now. Let's be clear. Everyone is giving you a tempered glass. But not everyone might be giving you a quality case or something that's up to your standards. You have to choose. I'm just recommending it. I think this is one of the best options right now for the Z Fold 7. And there's a lot of options out there. So stay locked. Maybe I'll change my mind in the next case review that you see on this one. After using it for about a week or so, maybe it'll become the best case. Because best case is the one you're holding. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Link to purchase is down below for the case. And also the phone. If you haven't ordered your phone yet, what's wrong with you, son? Get your phone already.